AccuVein vein finder system. There's the serial number, if I can get it to focus. There we go.
Okay, right. So it comes in, we have it in this platform that plugs in and charges. You don't have to keep it there, but this is the most optimal way of doing it. Then turn it on.
And show my arm.
And then there's the veins, okay? Patients love this. You can see the veins in my face. Can you see them? Not very well?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. So, and then the large veins there. Okay. So this works. You can see the veins there. Okay. And it's fully charged. And if you put it in here, you keep it on while you're injecting. Okay, hands-free.